and a rating that's nobody spits like Gaston.
I'm especially good at expectorating. And now that I'm grown, I eat 5 dozen eggs, so I'm roughly the size of a bunch. You're welcome.
I hope you guys like my intro. I had to sing my heart out like Gaston, you know. That was me singing, I swear. Listen to the barge part, it sounds like ass, but I had to let it rip, dude. Like, I had some Disney songs stuck in my head, and I just like, I'm gonna sing them out loud for the world to hear. And dude, we're driving through this parking lot, and I was singing, what was I singing, Be Our Guest, huh?
Yeah.
I had my window down, I had my windows down, Be Our Guest blasting, and I was singing it out loud. It was pretty funny. Should have recorded it, but I don't want too many copyright strikes. Did someone say goals? I think I did. Half cheese, half grease cups. You already know what song I'm eating. Proper orientation, now let's dig it. Let me tell you guys something. I got so distracted in the store. Looking at my lens, I got dust on my lens. But anyways, I got so distracted in the store right now, I didn't even record shit. So look what I bought. In case you don't know this, I'm a big Dragon Ball fan. I've been a Dragon Ball fan literally my whole life. He had manga in the store, and I had to get this one. I want to read this one. It's like, it's just pretty much Tournament of Power, like the last part of Tournament of Power. But I really enjoyed Super a lot, and I'm like, let me get some Super manga. I don't have any Super manga. There's 8 chapters of the manga so far, and that he had in there. I have to come back and buy all of them. They're 10 bucks a piece though, so I'd rather want to spend $80 on manga. Not right now, but I probably will eventually. Hey, 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 where'd he go? Got his drink in his cup. Oh yeah, I got my drink in my cup. Spoiler alert, new ending picture. New picture, same spot. I wonder if I should get one with the headlights on. Let me see how it looks with the headlights on. Tee-hee. We're gonna check, because I'm curious. I don't really take headlight on pictures, but I want to see how it looks. The headlights look yellow, but they're fucking white. I don't know how I feel about that. They're white lights, why do they look yellow? Why do you look yellow? Weird. My headlights are a little foggy too. I do need to clean these up eventually, which I might get to do. I'm probably gonna do today actually. Fucking sick of Walmart and their Donkey Kong bullshit. Let me go on a rant real quick. I've been looking for Tanuki Mario Kart, Hot Wheels, for I don't know how long. Every Walmart out of the, how many Walmarts going to do? 5 or 6?
6 of them already.
6 fucking Walmarts, and they have everybody but Tanuki. This is bullshit, I tell you. I cannot take this anymore. Oh look, yeah, Mario Kart stuff up there. Let me see what's in there. Let me grab that box. I can reach it. What do we have? A couple 4-packs. Someone trying to stash them up there? But no Tanukis, so I can't buy these. Sorry. Damn, she looks so good in this reflection. Woo, that's a good shot. Boom. Headlight restoration kit. I gotta go to the front of my car real quick, watch. Dirty ass headlights. We need to clean these puppies up. Check this out, peeps. I'm on Discord right now with Grimmies. Grimmies, say something, Grimmies, even though no one could hear you. He said, oh, hello. Okay, but on a serious note, we need to clean these fucking headlights up pretty bad. They don't look that dirty on camera, but they're kind of semi-foggy and it's really annoying me. And I've had this kit just sitting here, so I might as well utilize it, right? Let's go. Even with the flashlight on, you can barely tell. You only tell like on the edges, but trust me, they're kind of foggy and I don't like it. Ooh. Clean headlights. Okay, I think you can tell the difference on camera now. Look at that shit. You know those little scratches, those are still drying. I just sprayed on the last little coat of the sealant and it looks really fucking beautiful. Next thing we gotta do, take that out, and take that little orange piece out. We're gonna clear out these headlights. It's been a hot fucking minute, but look where we're at. Ah, we're back, baby! First try, let's go. Give me something good. Ready? Which one should I pick? This one. And we got classic Coke. All right.
How boring.
How boring. So, okay, pick any button. You never know what you're gonna get.
3. 3, okay.
All right, Sneaky makes her choice. And she gets a boring regular Coke. Nice try, and you're roasting me. All right, Landerino.
I like Coke.
Same? Yeah, right there, Landon. Any button you want. Number 3. Lucky number 3. What's London gonna get?
A boring regular Coke.
You really got a boring regular Coke too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting 1 more quarter, you know? I'm not satisfied with that. That was not a good pull. Either they only stocked it with regular Cokes right now, or we're getting shit luck. I have so much change in my car. Okay, 1 more quarter.
Diet Coke.
Let's see, we're not getting Diet Coke. We don't do Diet Coke around here.
Right, try like
I'm picking, yeah, I'm putting them on the bottom right here. Boom, number 3 right here. Fuck it.
and is
God damn it. All right, I think they only loaded up with regular Cokes. All right, we out of here. Thank you, Coke Factory. New pizza spot. Let's try it. Tell me this doesn't look delicious. Please tell me. Oh my God, look at it. It's $6 for a large pizza. I think we'll take that. And they got breadsticks too. Let's try this shit out. I'm ready. Here's my theory on this place. Upon further inspection, it looks like it could potentially be trying to copy Little Caesars. They have
on further inspection.
Upon further inspection, they have Italian cheesy bread, breadsticks that are wrapped in like wrappers that look like crazy bread wrappers. Yeah. And the deep dish pizza looks like it'd be Little Caesars. What if they come from the same place and it tastes like Little Caesars? Same prices and everything. And we just got the breadsticks and pizza at first, and I was like, you know what? We have to get the cheesy bread because we didn't see it at first. And Landon's like, look, cheesy bread. I was like, we'll take the lot. So we added that.
I point things out that most people don't see.
I was reading that wall, I'm not gonna lie.
Too observant.
Oh yeah. Too observant. I can't even see you back there. Light. We need light. Ah! Look at you disappear, watch. You see shiny can?
Go down. I am the shadows.
The shadows are here. Now we gotta wait 7 minutes for our order, and we're just gonna. I'm curious. I'm very curious. We're trying to support local here. Fuck Little Caesars. No, I'm just kidding. I ain't saying fuck Little Caesars, but we're like, let's just try this new local spot out. See how it is. It's across town for me, but if it's good, you know, I'm like a DoorDash. It's on DoorDash. I saw that. Taste test. Chicken wing.
Pretty dang good.
Pretty good.
Spicy.
Spicy?
A little bit.
I don't like spicy. Kitty cat. Kitty cats don't eat chicken wings. Let me start by saying we didn't even order chicken wings.
Fool.
They gave us chicken wings by accident. And I was like, hey, you guys give us chicken wings. And we didn't order chicken wings. We're like, oh, it's fine, just keep it. I'm like, oh, okay, we'll keep them.
These are bomb.
Okay. Pass the test. All right. Are you ready here, folks? Chicken wings are good. Now we gotta move on to the next one, which will be, I don't know what we're gonna try next. Let me get some S tier opinions. Oh, this fucking bread looks dry as shit. Looks like Italian cheese bread too from Little Squeezers. I lied, it looks dry, but it's not. And it's fucking good. It's not dry. It's really good.
It's alright. It was so right.
It's alright? Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Opinion? Good. Look what I got from Best Buy. 10 bucks. Whoop, whoop. I opened the bag. It looks like crazy bread. But does it taste like crazy bread?
We're about to find out.
Taste test. Ready? Mmm. It doesn't really taste like crazy bread. But it's not bad. It tastes like crazy bread without like that. You know, crazy bread kind of has like. What the fuck would you call it?
This is probably dry. Salty?
Yeah, it's pretty dry. This is actually pretty dry. The cheese bread is really good, but this is kind of dry. Oh, sneaky.
Oh my God. See, that's what I'm saying. It's Little Caesars, but they changed the flavor.
Kind of what it seems like so far. We haven't even looked at the pizza yet. I mean, it's not bad. It's just.
It is bad.
It's just kind of dry. It's just really dry. That's all it is. Pizza, pizza. Oh, it looks like Little Squeezers. Landon, look. Looks like Squeezers.
Very nice pepperoni distribution.
And the good thing is, it doesn't look burnt though. Okay, well, let me fucking get a piece of this shit. All right, here we go. Taste test. Sneaky took a bite. What it tastes like?
Taste it.
I think it sounds gonna taste like Squeezers.
It tastes like Little Caesars,
But slightly different.
but not as much sauce as Little Caesars puts.
See, this is literally Little Caesars, but
I don't know. Like it looks like Little Caesars, but it has a slightly different taste. Like maybe they use the same recipe, but well, just different ingredients or different brands of the ingredients.
You know
what I
bread's
mean?
not as sweet as Little Caesars.
I kind of like this though. It's kind of good.
I like that they didn't overdo the sauce.
You need my opinion because my opinion is the most important.
All right, Lando, let's see what you got.
You good?
It's pretty good.
It's difficult, but like, just a little bit different.
Yeah, it's like they use like literally like different kind of like I would say different brands of the fucking sauce or whatever.
I take it back. It tastes exactly like Little Caesars.
Think so? I don't know.
I think it's just a slightest bit different.
Do I smell pizza blind taste test video
Oh no.
coming?
Oh no.
Competition?
That seems like a. I'm gonna fail that if I do that.
That seems like a very good idea. Now I'm gonna get back to eating. Over when we'll come back after with the ranking on the tier list of this pizza place because I need to actually enjoy it now. I'll be back. Overall review of PR Pizza. It is semi-local. They're basically like, think of In-N-Out, but with pizza because apparently they're only in California and they're expanding slowly but surely out of state. I think with Arizona and Texas. Overall, I'd call it an upgraded version of Little Squeezers. Sneaky.
I agree.
Landon, pizza review. What do you think?
A tier.
A tier. Put an A tier on the tier list. Better than Little Caesars? There you go, better than Little Caesars. And now we get something fun. Oh shit. I'm gonna try them. It's been a while. Kitty cat, you can't have every flavored beans. What are you doing?
Oh, I want every flavored bean.
You can't have every flavored beans, kitty.
Every flavored bean.
Meow. It's like, don't be a weenie, gives me 5 beans knowing they could half be trash. You only got 4, Landon?
You got 4?
I got 5. Oh, kitty. Fuck. You can't have that. Alright, Landon, let's eat the blue one then together.
But I'm scared. Cinnamon.
I can't tell what this is.
It's sweet.
It is sweet. Tastes kind of like soap. I think it's soap flavored. What's yours?
Cinnamon.
I think it is soap.
Tastes like soap. It's not bad though.
It's pretty good actually. It's pretty good.
Well, I just had some soap, so shall we?
3,
2, 1.
What is that?
Disgusting.
What is that?
I'm about to be a pussy
I got a
spit it
good
out.
flavor.
It's kind of like juicy fruit actually. The more I chew it,
It's good.
I don't know what it is.
it's too sweet.
It's sweet.
Very sweet. It's not a bad flavor, it's just really sweet. I just eat the green one. Please be apple. Please.
I'm scared this
Pretty
one's gonna
sure
be
that's a grass.
vomit.
That looks like it could either be like fruity
I think it's
pebbles
vomit.
or vomit.
Kitty, get away. Oh well, here we go.
Oh god.
Oh, is it vomit? What was it?
Yeah.
The green one tastes like grassland, I think you're right.
It's like this one tastes like
No,
spice.
can't tell what
Like
this one is.
it's like spicy like cinnamon, but it tastes like
Kitty.
trash.
What is like trash?
Like it literally tastes like what the smell of trash is.
No.
What is that?
It's like dog food.
It's like it could be rotten eggs.
Do it, Landon, you
Oh
won't.
my god.
But
That's horrible.
Is it Dr. Pepper?
alright. I'm scared. This could be cheese. This could be rotten eggs.
Oh,
this
that
could-
pink one was floss.
Okay.
This could be like something. I don't know. I'm just gonna eat it.
It could be popcorn too.
Good popper.
It was vomit on. What's wrong, Landon?
Rotten eggs.
Rotten. I didn't. Rotten egg.